Here is how you can set a separate ringtone for contacts in your Samsung phone. So let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So on the Samsung phone, by default, we have both the Samsung Contacts app as well as the one from Google. In this case, I prefer the Google Contacts app, which is, I believe, a little bit better in this because we have the direct option when you open up and expand one profile or card here. You have the ability to click the contact ringtone. So you basically have the ability to select the ringtone through the built-in way or even some third-party app, but you can choose something else for one person specifically. So you can find all of those which are, for example, built in, like the Galaxy ringtones or some of the other ones, actually plenty of them to pick, but you can as well choose some of the custom ones if you have added them before, or as you can see, if you have a different app for the ringtones, you can pick that one and choose this for your ringtones. But the point is that you can select a specific and a separate one for one person only. And that is the thing that we are interested in. So I really hope that I was able to show you the things and the way you can do this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you later in the next videos as well.